Hello friends, today I'll be sharing with you another very yummy oat bread recipe of mine. You can have as breakfast if you're looking to have something healthy and maintain a healthy body size. Yeah, so very quickly, the first thing you need is oats, of course. So we are to turn this into our oat flour. So you simply just need to get your oats, put in your blender and you're good. You have your oat flour. So oat is very good, very healthy because this is one of the healthiest grains on earth, one of the healthiest. Yeah, it is gluten free. It has a lot of vitamins and minerals, antioxidants, fiber that your system needs. Like this, your system easily breaks this down, which is very good. So nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. Very healthy. So what you need after blending is 2 cups of oat flour. So this bread will take you for a whole week. This is for 1 week, 7 days. Just watch and I'll share with you how to portion everything and have fun for the whole week. So this is 2 cups of oats. You measure and put in your bowl. Make sure you blend so well to have the smooth consistency, and mix so you don't have lumps. So everything is all nice, smooth, and voila, this is your oat flour. You want to set that aside. The next thing you need is a cup of any fruit of your choice. So you can get pineapple, banana, mango, or you can mix banana and mango. Like if you've ever eaten mango banana smoothie, you can just use one mango, 2 bananas. Like just bring in your fruits, play with them, and you will enjoy this recipe. Yeah, so for today I use 2 mangoes. Yeah, so mangoes are equally very good. They are very yummy, contain a lot of nutrients. Remember, everything is all about being healthy here. So fruits are a very healthy alternative you want to go for if you want healthy recipes into your system. Like you want to put in the right things into your system to live healthy and long. You want healthy ingredients like this. So as I mentioned earlier, you can use a cup of mango, a cup of pineapple blended, or banana, or you mix the fruits. You can mix mango with banana and banana and pineapple. Gradually work your way to other fruits. Like I eat a lot of this, so I play with the fruit. So you want to blend. This will give you a cup of mango. So whichever fruit, depending on you, you need a cup of this. That is what you need. A cup of pureed fruit. So now once you do that, you want to get your bowl. This is where we are mixing everything all up. So you put in, the first thing you want to do is to put in the pureed mango in the bowl, and the next thing you want to add is half a cup of coconut oil or olive oil or butter, depending on you. This egg is optional, but it is good. It makes it so filling, and it is optional. If you don't have egg, you can skip the egg. That is so optional. The bread will still come out good without the egg. Just I want it filling. Yeah, so add 2 eggs in there if you have eggs at home. And the next thing I add for flavor is vanilla. So this makes everything taste so yummy. So just a little pinch of vanilla, like a teaspoon of vanilla, and you're good. And the next thing I add is some honey for taste. Yeah, so this makes everything taste so yummy. Honey is healthy. Honey has antimicrobial properties your system needs for cleansing, and like everything in here is healthy alternative. Yeah, so you want to mix this wet ingredients so well before we add in the dry ingredients. So once you mix for long, it tends to, when it looks like this, you want to put that aside. And the next thing you want to add is a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking soda, not a lot. You add in there, and you want to add in cinnamon or nutmeg for flavor, depending on you, and mix the dry ingredients so well, and make sure everything is well mixed. And now this is when you want to add in the dry into the wet, your oats. you want to add it into your wet ingredients and into your wet mixture, and like have this to one consistency, mix so well and have to one consistency. Yeah, you see how moist it is. You want your mixture this moist, so it is really yummy and very filling. So make sure it has this consistency, moist. Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, if you're a lover of banana, you can add in one banana and that will still be fine, depending on you. Play with your fruits, but all we want is a healthy recipe at the end. So this is my pan. I greased the pan with butter. You can grease with coconut oil, whatever you have at home, so your bread doesn't stick up and becomes difficult for you to take it out of the pan. So once you do it this way, it will be so easy for you to get your bread out of your pan. Yeah, so this is the mixture. You want to put it in your pan, and this is good for baking. So you don't want to, once you put it in your pan, you want to kind of have it smooth at the top. So you use your spoon to have it really lay smooth in the pan, so you don't come your cake doesn't your bread doesn't come out funny, not looking beautiful. Like, make sure it is smooth, and have your oven, like preheat your oven to 370, and you have to bake this for just 30 minutes. On 350 you can bake for 45 minutes. So if you want it on low heat, go for 350 for 45 minutes, or 370 for 30 minutes. Yeah, so you just bake and constantly come to check to see if it is okay for you. If it is really brown, if you want it browner than this, you can still leave it in your oven for some time. But this is how I love mine, brown and looking so beautiful with that moisture in it. Yeah, as you can see, this mixture is so beautiful and equally very yummy. Just a slice of this will fill you up. You don't need to, as I mentioned earlier, it is so uncultured to eat those large portions of meals. Just try eating slices of like this, a slice of this for breakfast with maybe your green tea or whatever you have as breakfast. That is fine. These are 7 slices here you can have throughout the week. Like, I share a lot of recipes and I have some on Instagram. I'll be sharing some more on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. My handle is Riza's Tips, just like YouTube. These are the recipes I go for to always maintain a healthy body size. I do my detox recipes and equally eat healthy like this to always stay looking healthy and vibrant. So share this video with your family and friends. Tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.